Hey guys, this is Will, and this is a video on my aunt and uncle's Bryant Air Conditioner and furnace. This is a straight cool unit with an RU fan motor, 3 fan blades, it has an LG compressor with no sound blanket. It's from the 20th week of 2016. I believe it's a 4, maybe a 4-ton, 3.5 ton. You have your line sets going into the house. Right into there. GE disconnect box. It's a very nice base model unit. It's relatively quiet, cools the house very well. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Out.